In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the wallpapers on your home screen change like in a few commands to change them automatically. So now they're looking like this, and in a few seconds if I'll click for some keyboards they will look like this. So this is very interesting because this is not the included images in Apple. So this is just the app which allows us to change our wallpapers on our MacBook automatically, and I think it's very cool because it looks very creative, you know. And this app is called Earview, so you can download it in the App Store and just input the Earview like this. So yeah, it looks like this, the wallpapers from Unsplash. So after we downloaded it, all we need is just to open it. So just click on it, and as you can see, it's appeared in our toolbar or something like this. I don't know how does it named. So just Earview. So here we can see different options. So we can find the, by the way, this app is uploading different images from Unsplash, which is the place where different photographers upload their works. So for example, this picture was uploaded by GitLab app or something like this. If we'll try to upload some more some other, for example this one, we can try to find that this was made by Birgit Raspi or something like this. So there is a different shortcuts for example change current wallpaper. It looks like this. This is the keyboard, this is the keys which I'm pushing to change the wallpaper. We can also load the previous wallpaper, download current wallpaper or something like this. Is the most useful settings. Now we can also open these settings here and find the different settings. So multiple displays will be the same wallpaper, load, optimize images, animate transitions, and do other stuff. So this is our shortcuts and this is our profile. So by the way, in the settings with filters we can choose the preferred images with the portrait, landscapes. What if you want only landscapes, for example, and if we'll try to upload a new wallpaper, so change current wallpaper, I hope I think there will be a landscape. So let's wait for a little. Okay, that's not landscape, by the way. Does it looks like? It looks like the bird. So the main setting here I think is the update interval. So you can choose the interval you want, but I choose the every 30 minutes. So it will change twice in an hour. So I think this is the optimal size. Oh, this moon is so beautiful. So I think that's all. I think this is very useful app for your Mac, and I suggest you to download it because the changing of wallpaper is amazing. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.